Sometimes you want something more than plain coffee, but not as heavy as a mocha. That's where cinnamon chocolate coffee hits the spot. It's warm, comforting, and has just enough cocoa to make it feel like a treat without being over the top. Cinnamon adds a subtle spice that works surprisingly well with coffee and chocolate. This drink is perfect for cold mornings, cozy afternoons, or whenever you want a cafe-style cup at home. You don't need any fancy equipment. If you've got a way to make coffee and a small saucepan, you're good to go. This recipe works whether you use a French press, pour-over, drip machine, or espresso. You'll combine brewed coffee with milk, cocoa powder, a touch of sugar, and ground cinnamon. The flavors blend into something smooth, chocolatey, and lightly spiced. It's easy to scale up for more servings or adjust to your taste. Want it sweeter? Add a little more sugar. Prefer stronger coffee? Use less milk. It's flexible. And if you keep cocoa and cinnamon in your pantry, you can make this anytime. Here's how to do it. Required equipment: coffee maker or French press, small saucepan, whisk or spoon, mug. Prep time: prep 5 minutes, cook 5 minutes, total 10 minutes. Ingredients: ingredient, US measure, metric measure. Brewed hot coffee, 1 cup, 240 milliliters. Milk, any type, 3/4 cup, 180 milliliters. Unsweetened cocoa, 1 tablespoon, 7 grams. Sugar optional, 1 to 2 teaspoons, 4 to 8 grams. Ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon, 0.5 grams. Vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon, 1.25 milliliters. Instructions: brew your coffee using your preferred method. In a small saucepan, heat milk over medium-low. Add cocoa powder, sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla. Whisk until smooth and hot, but don't let it boil. Pour the coffee into a mug. Stir in the milk mixture. Taste and adjust sweetness or cinnamon if needed. Serve warm. Nutrition per serving, approximately. Calories, 90. Protein, 4 grams. Fat, 3 grams. Carbs, 10 grams. Sugar, 8 grams. Fiber, 1 gram.